Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Nioh 3 game. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The fix one is steps to fix sound problem in Nioh 3 game. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on system and then click on sound. Scroll down and under the advanced option, click on more sound settings. And then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties and then go to the spatial sound, and from the drop down here select off, then hit apply, OK, and then go ahead and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2 makes your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Nioh 3 game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using any headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Fix 3. Step to fix audio problem in Nioh 3 game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and then select properties. And then go to the services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit on apply and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check. Fix 5 is to update the audio drivers. So open device manager and click on sound, video and game controllers. Right click on your audio device and then click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers and wait for the process to be completed. And then you can check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to disconnect additional peripheral device. So your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Nioh 3 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.